Hello, boys and girls. This is London Bridge Explained. This is Mr. Singleton, your band teacher. We're going to learn London Bridge. The song is a little easier than Tomorrow. So some of you may choose this song. You have a choice between Tomorrow or London Bridge. Whatever you may so choose. Okay, let's look at these notes here, boys and girls. We have, before we get to the notes, let's look at the key signature, which is over here, which is C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. These are your chords. You have C chord, G chord, C again, G. So the same chord over and over, same two chords over and over. C and G, the whole song. Two chords, right? If you can't play the chords, you can just play the bass line for this song, okay? The song is a lot easier than Tomorrow. The time signature is right here. It's 2/4, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's the beat of this song. Let's erase that. Erase that, make it nice and clean. Let's write these notes in, which I'm going to do half, and you're going to do the rest, okay? So the first note you have is line 2, treble clef, is, you guessed it, a G. You got an A, G, F, E, F, G. If you play the bass line, you got a C and a bass. You can add an E to that, or just play the C. Another C. Then you got D, E, F. Bass note is a G. Bass note back to a C to the next measure. E, F, G. All right, make it nice and neat for you there. G, A, G, F. C in the bass. This chord continues. Continues again until you get to here. So again, you have a E, F, G, G chord. This is D, G, E, C. All right. C in the bass, the next chord. What else I want to include? The rhythm. Ba ba da da. So this is a dotted eighth note with a 16th eighth note. Bum bum ba ba da ba ba da ba. Quarter note. Ba da ba. Quarter note. So you got 3 basic rhythms in this song. Okay. Now let's hear the song. Okay, go to the video. Very lovely. Okay, boys and girls, that's London Bridge is Falling Down. So let's see if you can play it, make a video, hands only, okay? Voila.